Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to enable virtualization on your PC. Now, virtualization is a way of opening up an Android emulator in your computer. So, most PCs are able to do that, but somehow it might be locked. It might not be enabled on your PC. So, in order to do that, you'll have to restart your PC like this. You can see it's still loading. Then you're getting ready to open your BIOS. On your own PC, it might be F2, some F10, depending on your PC. So now you just press F10 to open your BIOS. And now I'm in my BIOS. And so you go to the system configuration. Now it should be here by now. So if you don't see yours here, that's one of the problem I faced. I had a problem like this when I was trying to do it. So I say you go to your exit, then you choose load setup defaults. Yes, you go back to set configuration and see it. Virtualization technology. Hardware VT enables a processor feature for running multiple simultaneous virtual machines, allowing specialized software applications to run in full isolation of each other. HP recommends that this feature remain disabled unless specialized applications are being used. And me now, I'm using the Oracle VM, so you can use virtualization technology for different emulators. You can also use it for Flora for those of you engaging in Flora. So you just do and enable it, and go back to exit and choose exit saving changes. Yes.
Yes, is that all the boxers? Give me the 15 naira. It's bad. It's bad.
So that is it for enabling virtualization. Thank you.
Yes, I hope we not use all the soap.